Hi there, Teacher Amanda here with a quick tutorial on how to structure academic essays for an American United States audience. So here we go. So think about, first of all, what do you already know about writing essays for an American audience or in American style? And here I'm talking about specifically about a North American English-speaking style. What do you know? First of all, there are three main sections to an American or North American academic essay. Do you know what those are? First comes the introduction. And the introduction includes a few things, but the main thing that it includes is the most important points of your paper, the main points of your paper, including the main point, which is also called your thesis statement. A thesis statement is a one-sentence summary of your whole paper. It can be more than one sentence, but for starters, one sentence is fine. It's usually the last sentence of your introduction. The second part of an American / North American academic essay is the body of your paper. And the body paragraphs, this is a symbol that means paragraph. This is anything after the introduction and before the third part, which we're going to get to in a minute. So body paragraphs usually explains each main point, usually one paragraph at a time, although it can be a couple of paragraphs for each point. Each paragraph gives support or examples for each main point, and the support can be in the form of facts, statistics, personal experience, examples from books, quotations from other people. And then everything in the body of the paper supports the thesis statement. So thesis in your introduction, and then main point with examples, main point with examples, main point with examples. All right. And then after that, part 3 is conclusions. This summarizes the main points in the thesis, and there's usually no new information in a conclusion. That's very important. No new information. The author might give an opinion or advice if the essay is about a particular controversial issue and the author's making an argument about a particular issue. There could be advice, but not always. So that's it. That's academic essays for an American U.S. audience. If you would like to learn more about this, you can find it on my Teachable site, teacheramanda.teachable.com, where I have an entire 9-unit course that is launching April in less than 2 months. Lots of resources for you where we go through every single step of reading for reading at university level and writing academic essays, every single step. You can find me at teacheramanda.com, and you can email